My name is Kanhaiya Kumar. The perspective change the mind of observation. Think about the associated to the launch of big phenomena, the nature connection, build of the environment, dedication, hard work, semi one, the note attention graph, the graph of human attention, the focus on reality, the attention 0.3 second is important, does not important. Reason because trust and build connection is important. Reason because emotion is mostly repeated to the trust built on mind to attention graph of society to the identify the problem because solution in this case of method environment to the attention is more perspective to the launch of phenomena and nature ecofide to the attach of emotion and professional to the social environment because perspective of mind movie cinema create and observe of total analysis and big monetization the on all the system of work depend on the social advantages for this enable for parliament because the membrane of brain to optimize of spinal cord to the indirect and direct purpose of the distance between mind to understand the right perspective to be between of the classification in the wrong decision making learning of concept the most additive perspective but no have dedication but only a smart work reason because sympathy and emotion connection but connection of reality depend on construction and manufacturing of construction the build of phenomena and nature adaptation to the most occupied in the learning basic of mind to always attention grab is not important is the human trust build and emotion the most important reason because the attention span is very small my perspective long but my nature because wrong decision no idea and not making decision and decision of skill is important reason because of perspective to the method of learning and conceptual of method to focus on dream big on such as well as when trust to the identify is not eye contact is the communication skill problem solving leadership teamwork only for management the most important build of connection is important the link of biodiversity the connection of ecology the membrane of mind to the silence of the game and pattern of the social networking research on environment to the phase of the social activities for this fundamental is not started is not of the started. Do you sometimes of money before the want of success, but identify the dream, identify the work, identify the time spent of money. Reason because time management is important. The trust built on the mind and perspective of the logical thinking about research and data. The skill of data analysis, artificial intelligence, chat GPT, but use of important reason because the perspective, the ratio and diagram, area and volume, concept and visualization, research and data, the connection and build of topic, find of topic, enable and display to the mobile, and sometimes of region, but behind the surface to the volume of area is depend on environment, to the phase of gas and volume, color, background is not important. Important of perspective on focus on your goal, the dream and the communication skill, the management of skill, the sound of vibrate is not important. Important is of the classification, the many type of social activities. For the attention is important, the trust is important, not qualify and not examination. For this topic of unable to the search engine optimization, the topic of build and data analysis, the most important thing of AI, artificial intelligence, type of behind the surface, but region only one. Give me one only for problem solving. The human brain is associated of the problem behind the any more of a problem, solving of money, collection of money, the important, the perspective of money, the connection and dream such unable to the available to the mind and associated to the right direction and money because health is not important. Reason because the dream such as the powerful, the achievement to the very useful of the satisfied of mind and our the body connection and dream to the fundamental of part and destiny of dream because home time is not important, the part of life, the part of recognition, accommodation, recording, very useful is not trustable, the aggressive is important, the right fundamental and decision making of problem and the focus on problem is not important. Important of big draw anymore या तो more perspective of depending on big dream to the compare between the classification, the part of life and the human brain. Attention only for depend because the trust, communication skill, connection, any the change of mind and perspective, but goal on one, that's clear about the making decision and the most important learning basis of the conceptual and dream of anymore. The importance of dedication is about of the social connection is behind the at least the fundamental of the phenomena of nature. The hard work is important, but highly important is not justified of the activities of the mind, and the mind of regarding to the social activities, the environmental and the phase of society to the second is important, does not important of minute, because the spend of money and trust is important to the price of give me a reason product sale of the internet because of the play store, but prompt is important reason the work of attention and वर्किंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट, क्योंकि वर्किंग इज एसोसिएटेड ऑफ माइंड एंड क्रिएशन ऑफ माइंड, एक्टिविटीज ऑफ माइंड, द हेल्पिंग ऑफ माइंड टू द कनेक्शन ऑफ माइंड टू द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ माइंड एंड हेल्प ऑफ awareness, policy and community guidelines. The any perspective to the logic started the mind and focus start and restart the game of change before the want between the classification. The displacement do not have the displacement and the perspective of acceleration. The force attention of the displacement does not having the passes the examination. The perspective of mind is important reason. The dream to observation is not justified of the hard work, justified of the work, and give me sometimes of the spend of time. The important because honesty and sympathy of the mind and two type of mind is not associated and link of major respective and the perspective to the perfect and disadvantage of the mind is not advance and loop of attention to the lower and medium to high advance level of concept is enough of more than or the occupied and afraid to down and more than enough of grateful the achievement and down to dream perspective to our the greatness and the social activities is important. The many of people to the thousand of people depending of connection and responsibility the communication skill and reason because the depending on family but depending on spend of time and spend of money. The thinking about the observation of the dream the not qualify the examination national eligibility test assembly. The trust and the human brain the occupied of quick learning and repeat revision of tag. The concept is more conceptual of the method to the most important practice. The method practice is the method of the science and the ecology of the turn syndrome to the technology advance and simple more than the observation thinking about associated and optimize of brain. The success and between the one and two, the sympathy and one depending on the society to the environment, and the behind the surface is important, not nearby, neither created where, and powerful of the originality, not occupied of the time spent important. Do you have think about the thinking eligibility and develop of critical thinking about for me solution, because हम anymore my respective and perspective of mind to occupied of learning basis of optimize to engine of brain does not justified of Google, and environmental is a concept of any more the success between the occupied of learning basis of hospital gaming and education, and learning and skill based the perspective is not a change. The digital marketing, online marketing, e-commerce, the data science, the build of communication, the build of the leadership, the build of the technology and advance more than advance the simple educated, the not qualify. The behind the surface of my mind is not dedicated to the launch of the money and spend of time. Time is brain to optimize of circle performance of the detailed of division of part, and voice is important, does not occupied to the learning basis of observation, thinking about of associated, and connection is important. Do you have the very comfort zone and comfort zone to trust the qualify to the nature, the perspective to the perform of the learning and skill base of subject, any more of the city and country to the provide of the success between the note dedicated only the hard work, the myself improvement and my brain to optimize and learning basis of mind and build of communication, build of energy, and the dedicated of the dream, my perspective of mind to the dedicated, and as well as hard work, not a smart work, only for hard work is important in the my respective and dedicated to the dream of my achievement. This is justified of mind and available to the mind, and satisfaction of the mind and happiness is important, not emotion, the connection, the work on spend of time and perspective of your use money.